Hi internet friends, today's video is a quick tour of Toyota's vehicle manufacturing of the 2022 Tundra at its plant in San Antonio, Texas, USA. So come along with us and stay till the end, and Toyota's workforce will show you how to put the 2022 Toyota Tundra together correctly, just in case you might need to one day. It all seems frightfully complicated to me. Comments below and don't forget to be nice now. Anyway, here we go. Texas pride is shining bright in San Antonio as production of the all-new 2022 Toyota Tundra shifts into drive at Toyota Motor Manufacturing Texas. Together with its 3,200 employees and special guests, TMMTX celebrated the official line-off of the all-new Tundra and hybrid-powered Tundra, the truck's first ever major model change at the South Side plant since it began assembling trucks in 2006. Getting this adventure-ready go-anywhere truck to market took years of research and development from a hard-working, dedicated team of employees and suppliers, including TMMTX's over 20 on-site suppliers. In 2019, TMMTX announced an investment of $391 million to prepare for production of the 2022 Tundra, pushing its cumulative investment to more than $3.1 billion. The investment helped TMMTX prepare for production of the next-generation Tundra by expanding its facility by 141,000 linear feet, equivalent to 470 football fields, to accommodate new processes and cutting-edge technologies to bring the redesigned powerhouse truck to loyal customers. This includes preparations to assemble a hybrid electric version Tundra, the brand's 12th electrified vehicle, that will go on sale in early 2022. TMMTX has the annual capacity to build 208,000 vehicles. There is no brand more powerful than Made in Texas, and Toyota's San Antonio-based production of the all-new 2022 Toyota Tundra is a testament to that. Toyota has played a pivotal role in Texas' continued economic success. Billions of dollars in investment and thousands of jobs they have brought to the Lone Star State. The unveiling of the 2022 Tundra and the first ever Tundra Hybrid is a celebration of what businesses can achieve when they choose to invest in the best state in the nation. While investments in manufacturing will keep Texans working and Toyota competitive in the marketplace, TMMTX is dedicated to making a significant impact on the community with a specific focus on San Antonio's South Side. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video. Please leave a comment below letting me know what other videos you'd like to see. Click on the little windows coming up on your screen in a few seconds to watch more videos. I hope you'll join us again tomorrow. Until then, ta-ra for now.